Okay, right, so remember, the letter I, that is the square root of -1. Okay, so let's just call I, okay. Now then, think about it. Remember this from a previous video? I squared is -1, because if you square the square root of -1, you'll just get the -1. It's like the square root and the square cancel. So I squared is -1. Okay, so we've got that one. Now think about it. I cubed is a combination of I1 and I2, if you want to think of that as I1. Okay, so what's I times -1? That's -1I, or just -I. So I cubed is -I. Okay, now think about it. What's I4? You can think of it as I squared times another I squared. Well, what's -1 times -1? It's +1. So if I just put all this into a box kind of thing, okay. Right, so that's it. Now, if you keep on going from there, then I5 will be I6 will be -1, I7 will be -I, and I8 will be 1. It's just a repeat of this table. So if you think about the easiest way to solve something like, if I say what's I48, if I say that, okay, what's I48? You're going, well, you can keep counting up, you know, I5, I6, I7, I8, I9, I10, I11, I12. But if you remember this, every multiple of 4 is 1. So that's the thing to remember, okay? So every multiple of 4 is, well, look, I48 is a multiple of 4, so it must be 1, okay? I'll just do another, okay? So remember, I squared is -1, I cubed is -I, I4 is 1, and it keeps repeating. So if I say what's I30, okay? Well, think about it like this. That's I28, which is a multiple of 4, so it must be 1, with I2 left over. What's I2? Let's have a look. It's a -1. What's 1 times -1? It's -1. And so on. You know, you kind of build it up like that. So if I say what's I53? Well, that's I52 and I1. I know that I52 is a multiple of 4, okay? So I52 is 1. What's I1? It's just I, okay? Okay, so I1. So it's a combination of that with that, okay, multiple of 4. So that's why I53 must be I, okay? Just 1 times I. Again, I'm just looking. This is the main thing I'm looking for. I know a multiple of 4 is 1. And the rest, just look at what the extra you need, okay, to make up to whatever, I53, I54, I55, I56 will be 1, I57 will be I, you know, and so on and so on. So that's how you do all the I's, okay?